Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today I'll show you the easiest way to install a dash cam on your Mazda CX-5. If you have a CX-5 with a home link or auto dimming mirror, your mirror should look something like this. On the back of the rear view mirror, you'll notice a harness going into the mirror. Let's go ahead and disconnect this by pushing down on the tab and pulling it straight out. This is what your connector looks like. Now let's go ahead and introduce the product we'll be using today, Dongar Technologies. They've engineered a plug-and-play adapter that uses power going to your rearview mirror to power up your dash cam. The one we're using here is a 10-pin Type A. To install this, simply plug in this end of the adapter into the vehicle's connector port, the other end to the vehicle's harness, and with that, you're left with a USB module. Let's go ahead and power on the vehicle to make sure the unit is receiving power. A blue LED lights up within the module, indicating we're good to go. Now let's go ahead and plug in the USB cable and dash cam to really make sure everything is up and running. Your dash cam should power up in just a few seconds. Now that we've confirmed power and connectivity, let's go ahead and attach the USB module to the back of the rearview mirror. During this step, be mindful to not block the light sensor on the back of the rearview mirror. Here's a close-up of how I have it attached to the rearview mirror, and here is the final result. And just like that, folks, we are done. This has got to be one of the easiest installations and a real simple way to upgrade your vehicle's safety. So if you've got a CX-5 and have been on the fence about getting a dash cam, check out Dongar Technologies. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or consider subscribing for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.